On this Fender G DEC 30, I was getting a really loud, ear-piercing squeal. And if I turned the tone knob, the squeal would change in pitch, but really kind of ear-piercing and very loud. And the squeal would happen when nothing was plugged in. Now the amp, this is a normal hum that you get. It's okay. It's a modern amp setting. It's kind of like when you have a big Marshall stack that's, you know, it's going to make this sort of noise when you're not playing to it, right? High gain amps do that. And that's not the noise I'm talking about. This is normal. The noise I'm talking about is it's a high pitched squealing, screeching noise, and it's constant. When you go to any setting with a high gain amp, it's even worse. But it gets to the point where the squeal is there no matter what, and there's nothing you can do. And it just appears that the amp is completely broken. I was doing a little research on Google, and I found a problem where a Fender amp had reverb that was squealing. I believe it may have been a onboard reverb chip rather than a spring tank. And the solution for that was to replace the filter capacitors. So I took a gamble and I tore this apart, pulled out the head unit, pulled out the main circuit board behind the faceplate, found the filter caps, and replaced them. The squealing is gone. And right now, here it is with an amp setting that's clean, black face setting, and you see you don't really get that. You know, low gain amps don't have that hum, but the hum's okay. That's normal. That's okay. Again, I'm talking about a ear-piercing, screeching noise. Filter cap replacement, fixed it. Hope that helps.